Hi guys, so here with the video you can check. We will open this first for make the two drives in Lenovo laptop. Let's open the first this laptop, all screw carefully. Now open with this spec. Here we see there are the two slot, one is for 2.5 and another is 2.M2. So we check this is a single cut. Yes, this one is single, and also we have single cut. Great. Here, okay, this will be perfect. There is a very visual clearly. Now we can put it. This one is single. Oh wait, before we remove this battery, it will helpful. Be careful about this. We have to remove this battery while adding anything like RAM or SSD. Now we are going to put this. That will be perfect. Now we can screw up. So we will screw up this. We will fit it. Now we will go with hard drive HDD. Look at the connector. This connector is look cool, clean. Now this we have put this for the visual clear. I will go for another side. Yes, for the clear visual. Now we will put it like this. Be careful about this. Now this will put again set in this. It's very easy and very clear. Sometimes it's making trouble, but it's easy. We'll put it this one. Now don't forget to yes, connector to put back the socket of this battery before fixing the back cover. Here we go. Now it's connected. You will see all is good. 2.5 connected, hard drive is connected, battery is connected. Now it's time to pack. Now it's time to pack this cover. Now cover situation, screw up, and you will go and you will find in software these two. If you want to know how to do the software, keep on my next video. Thank you. Have a good day.